I guess I'm audible and visible. So, after multiple attempts of trying to bring my life back on track, I guess I was never on track. My life was never on track, but I made this ideal situation in my mind that how will my ideal life look like, and I started to take some steps uh, towards that final goal. But after multiple attempts, I ended up with a conclusion, and I would like to conclude all of that journey as of now in front of you all. That journey is okay. Okay, sorry. I was just okay. So that journey is uh, I would consider myself as a failure because I started to create YouTube videos, but I ended up doing all of that. Zero discipline, zero consistency, no nothing. I started to prepare for CAT and my semester examinations as well, but zero consistency, zero discipline, nothing achieved. I started to hit gym. There was a certain amount of zeal, there was a certain amount of enthusiasm inside me, which happened to be fade out, I guess, as of now. And again, the same cycle repeated itself. There was no consistency, there was no discipline, no regularity, and I ended up with that as well. So I was just laying down on my bed. I decided to make a video onto this. So, oh, by the way, if you are thinking that why am I talking in English, this is all a part of my improving. This is all a part of my plan to improve my communication skills. I'm trying, and yes, I know that there will be absolute zero views on this video as well. No problem. I'll just upload it. Let's see what happens. And uh, if I say that I don't want anyone to see all of these videos, I'm just posting it online so that there should be a certain amount of digital footprint of mine, which I can utilize in the near future. Okay, so I decided to think that what is the cause, what is the root cause, what is the main reason behind all of these failures. So I I I think that I have got onto something. I would like to tell you what is the reason behind all of that. Okay, so if I open this copy, just okay, one second. Okay, thank you. If we look into this, this is you, and you are currently in a running position. First of all, if we talk about why are we chasing money, why are we chasing physical strength, and whatsoever be your goal. So, like, we are living in nature. I would say that human beings are in itself, in themselves, a part of nature as well. So, there is a law of nature. There is this law of nature. sorry. So there is this, I was so sorry for the interruption. I was talking about the law of nature, and the law of nature is nature always fetches for stability. So as human beings are a part of nature itself, so human beings also fetch stability. Stability is the word. So if we look at all of the desires we have, money, physical strength, ultimately all of these desires are just a pathway so as to achieve this. Money will give you stability, physical strength will give you stability. It will give you a sense of security. Stability is a rule of nature, and security is a rule of, you can say, all those flora and fauna, all of the elements of nature fetch security as well with stability. Both of them generally are considered to be same: stability and security. Money, physical strength, mental toughness, or anything else is directly influenced by stability. So now you understand that why we have all these goals, and why are we so in the next video. So today we talked about that how so today we talked about what is the correlation between nature and human. In the next video we will talk about how all of these factors that are necessary to achieve a goal of yours, and why after repeated efforts uh, after repeated efforts you are not able to achieve all of them. We will talk about this in the next video. Thank you.